First, we'll open the trunk. Notice on the edge of the taillight right there is a plastic cover. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this to take that plastic cover out. Punch in the tool on the edge and then take out that plastic cover just like that. Behind the cover there are two screws right there. Top one has a little dirt on it, just needs to be cleared up a little bit. Both of these screws needs to be taken out using a Phillips screwdriver. We took out the bottom one, also need to take out the top one as well. Once both the screws are out, then we will come towards the quarter panel side. Here, we will gently push the tail light until it comes out completely. And there you see the tail light popping out. This is behind the tail light right there. Pull out the harness from that anchor type position to make some more room. Right where this rubber cover is, we have to pull this out. Just like that, and inside there is that plug right there. So what we have to do is press and hold this tab right there. You could see it. We need to press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Make sure you do it carefully and you do not lose the tail light while taking that plug out. And just like that, the plug is taken out. With that, we are done taking out the tail light completely. Now in case if you have a new tail light and you want to install it back, we install the plug first and then push it to a point until we hear a clicking sound. Then we go ahead and put back the rubber cover where we took it out from. That plastic clip was a little out, making sure we put it back to its place. Now pay attention to the other portion of tail light once you put back the plug. Notice there is that pointer coming out. That pointer is supposed to go into that spot right there. And on the other side, notice on the edge of the tail light there is a spot that is supposed to be slided towards that clip right there on the edge. So we have to make sure we punch both of them in accordingly. We carefully put back the tail light, and once it's completely in, only then we will give it a final push from the front. Now we will go ahead and punch in both the screws one by one. Once both the screws are tight enough, then we will go ahead and punch in this plastic cover. Now facing the plastic cover like this, behind the plastic cover there are two tabs, one right here and one right there. These two tabs are actually supposed to go into these two spots right there. Make sure while installing the plastic cover, those two tabs are aligned properly. We'll punch in the plastic cover and making sure all the tabs are in place properly. We'll check to see if it's not coming out at the end, and it seems like it is installed firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of the turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.